Question number 1. How many countries are present in Africa? Answer: 54 countries. Question number 2. Which planet is closest to planet Earth? Answer: Venus. Question number 3. What erupts from a volcano? Answer: lava, steam, ash, piece of rock, and gaseous sulfur compound. Question number 4. What is the name of the strait that separates the north and south islands of New Zealand? Answer: Cook Strait. Question number 5. Which is the direction at which wind blows? Answer: leeward direction. Question number 6. The roof of the world is referred to which place? Answer: Pamir Knot. Question number 7. What is the name of Pakistan's currency? Answer: Pakistani rupee. Question number 8. What is dew point? Answer: the temperature at which dew begins to evaporate. Question number 9. How do you measure the speed of wind? Answer: anemometer. Question number 10. Name of the river that is not crossed by any bridge. Answer: Amazon. Question number 11. Which is the world's largest port? Answer: Port of Shanghai. Question number 12. Name of the city that is located two countries. Answer: Istanbul. Question number 13. Where is Loch Ness located? Answer: Highland, Scotland. Question number 14. Where is Acropolis situated? Answer: Athens, Greece. Question number 15. Where you can find the Saint Basil's Cathedrals? Answer: Moscow, Russia. Question number 16. Which line separates India and China? Answer: McMahon line. Name of the current that increases temperatures in Western Europe. Answer: North Equatorial current. Question number 18. Which country produces maximum aluminium in the world? Answer: Jamaica. Question number 19. In which direction does the geostationary satellite rotated? Answer: west to east. Question number 20. Where you can find the Puna grassland ecoregion? Answer: Andes Mountain, South America. Question number 21. Where you can find the desert of death? Answer. Dashed Emargo, Afghanistan. Question number 22. What is the term used for line used to join places with the same mean temperature? Answer. Isotherms. Question number 23. What type of deserts are Gobi Desert and Atacama Desert? Answer. Rain shadow desert. Question number 24. What type of rock is granite? Answer. Intrusive igneous rock. Question number 25. On which day of the year is the sun closest to the earth? Answer. 4th of January.